Y'all see that? That was a cute little dance that I did right there. A little shook shook. Morning, guys. Happy new week. We are about to get ready. I'm gonna go do my hair. You guys didn't know, I think I told you guys last time, I am going on vacation. Yeah, it's like a mini vacation. My friend is celebrating her birthday in Miami, so she really wanted me there. So I haven't actually traveled or done anything solo dolo since I had my babies, so I'm super excited to be going. At first I wasn't gonna go, but I decided I was gonna go. Right now I'm about to get dressed. Well, I'm already dressed. I went to go drop the kids off, and then I'm home, and then I was like, okay, ready. At first I was gonna do my makeup, but I wanted to do like or my headband is pissing me off. I wanted to do like a TikTok of my makeup to see if the hair hits. So I'm not doing my makeup. I'm just gonna go like this, but I do want to do my brows a little bit. So I have to do that, and then I need to get my nails done because it looks so bad. My nails look so bad. It's grown out a lot, so I need to get that done as well, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. It all depends on the time. Okay, I think I should start heading out now. It is 11. It takes 30 minutes to get there, so I'm gonna start heading out in about. So I just finished my hair and it looks so good. My stylist did an amazing job. Let's start there. I did do some like colors in the so it could look away. My stylist was Curleen and Conception. So if you guys come here to get your hair done, ask for Curleen and Conception because they did a great job. It's a walk-in salon and they specialize in braids and stuff. I literally called my friend and because she was looking for somebody to braid her hair, and I literally called her and was like, girl, come get your hair done, because she was already looking for a place to get her hair done. So she came, got her hair done. Now I'm contemplating if I should just go home or go get the kids. Their school is over at 6. It's 3:38. I could go get them. But I do need to go to the store. I'm having like stomach issues right now. I need to go get Pepto-Bismol, and I want to get Zariah a new toothbrush, and I need to get a new toothbrush as well. So I think we should run some errands. So let's see. I'm gonna do some things, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna do next. I didn't take you guys with me to run my errands because I was literally in a rush to get out. Wednesday I'm busy, Thursday I'm busy, and Friday I fly out. I went to go get my nails done, and then I stopped at Target and I picked up like toothbrush, and I got Nair because I need to Nair my body. I bought toothbrush for Zari as well, and then I got my nails done, and I did short nails with the French. Didn't really want much. I need my fingers to be a little bit easier to manage, so I didn't get my long nails, especially because I work, I be doing stuff. So yeah, I'm loving my hair. It's like so cute. It's so perfect. I'm about to go to bed. I'm about to do my skincare. I need to show you guys what I use on my skin now, because y'all can see my skin is clear and it's still clear. Yeah, I'm about to do my skincare, then I'm right up at night. I'm gonna take you guys to work with me tomorrow. Then after that I'm gonna end the vlog, and then I'm gonna start the vacation vlog, which I'm excited about. I have my pajamas, so let me put on my pajamas and then we're gonna do skincare. I have my pajamas on. I actually got these pajamas from Victoria's Secret. Victoria, don't tell nobody. They did such a great job at the hair salon. Like, I will definitely be back. That's gonna be my go-to spot for my hair, for my braids in Houston now. Very convenient, and then they had like multiple people doing my hair, which makes time go by faster. Skincare. So I love to use La Roche-Posay cleanser for my skin. This is what I use to wash my face, especially when I don't have any makeup on. I will use this. First, I'm gonna take my facial mist, and I use everything morning and night. I use Tatcha just because Tatcha is great on my skin. I have sensitive skin, so I can't be using like Tatcha actives, but I use this one. This is the Tatcha brightening serum. Use eye cream. This is the La Roche-Posay eyes. You should always use eye cream. It's very important. And then I'm gonna go in with the OC Dream Night Cream. A little goes a long way. My kids got sick like 4 weeks ago, and the cough is still lingering. I need to get a portable charger, and the best place to get portable chargers is Temu. And I have a shopping hack that I want to share with you guys. So Temu basically launched this secret code that you could get $20 worth of stuff for free, and I'm gonna use it on this portable charger. So right now I'm gonna use my code, which I'm gonna have linked in the description down for you guys. So what this does is it generates almost like a gift card of $20 off my order, and then I'm just gonna scan the QR code so I could get the app on my phone, and that's basically how I'm able to get $20 off my order. Limited time offer for all users. Click the link in my bio and search my code in the Temu app to claim your $20 right now. Seriously, you don't want to miss out on your $0 haul. Got some pieces that I needed for my vacation. I needed a portable charger. I also wanted to see if I could find a vegetable chopper because my last one broke. So this $20 off is definitely gonna come in handy. I'm on my way to go drop the kids off at daycare. Zarai's in the back over there. Logan is knocked out. We're heading to school right now. Normally we would have left the house a little earlier, but something came up really fast, so we're going a little later. So once I'm done here, I'm going straight to work. So Logan normally poops in the car, like we're driving, normally leave around like 7 o'clock. This time around he used the bathroom in the house because we left a little later. So I think that what I'm gonna start doing is that I'm gonna wait till he uses the bathroom before I even take them to daycare, so like he could be clean and he doesn't have to sit in his car seat with Poopy in his diaper and having to bring Poopy baby to daycare. So we're gonna do that. Also, his birthday is next week, which is so crazy. I cannot believe it's been a year, guys. I can't believe it's been a year since I gave birth to him, and he's trying to walk now. I'll try to get a clip of him trying to walk for you guys, but I'm so emotional about it because my baby is growing up. Like, it's so crazy. And then Zaria is talking, and I guess the great thing about having the kids back to back is that they're both like developing on two different like spectrums. Zaria is over here talking, saying amen when I pray for her, and like it's beautiful and all these things. And then Logan is trying to walk, so it's like my babies are growing up, guys. It's sad to think that I didn't want to have kids in the past. Of course, it's due to trauma. To think that, and now like my babies are here, and like they're like the best version of me. They're the best thing to ever happen to me. I love my kids so much. They're amazing. So I'm excited to celebrate his birthday. We're not doing anything major for his birthday though, because he's turning 1. He's not gonna really remember it. I think that most of the time when baby is turning 1, it's for the parents. But since it's the same thing for Zaria, where we took Zaria to like an aquarium for her birthday, celebrated her, got food and family and everything, and then for her second birthday we celebrated her because then she was a little bit more cognizant and she knew like birthday and people are here to celebrate her, throw her a party and everything. So I think that's what I'm gonna do for Logan as well. I think we'll just take him to like, because at first I was gonna get like a washi person to come to our house to cook the backyard, but I don't know if their food is that good, and I trust Benihana, so we're gonna take him to Benihana for his birthday. And then we're gonna buy this like classmates pizza and a cake, and they're just gonna celebrate him and drinks and stuff. So I'm super excited, y'all. My baby is growing up, and like I don't know, I'm happy, I'm excited, and I'm also sad about it because that is my little Snookies, and my Snookie is growing up. Y'all nephew is growing up. And then the great thing about my kids is that their birthdays are so far apart. So Logan is in May, Zaria is in November, so we're gonna be okay. So yeah, I want to come back from Miami. I do have to fly to Dallas with my boss for a day, doing a quick day trip. She got like a private jet for that day, and then I'm flying back in, and then Logan's birthday is literally, I think, that next day. I think so. Crazy. But anyways, I'm driving. I'm gonna concentrate on the road. I will see you guys when I get to the daycare. The Atlanta wedding is so beautiful. The pictures are amazing.
Yes, we didn't get a lot of views, even collaborating versus when we do it.
Yeah. That's my boss giving away this.
But is there any way you could grow in a go-go for me, like a
But I can't fit it,
just like the
unfortunately.
store, attach it to your, or somehow,
And it's new.
just a rose, like a rose print.
Just got off work. I'm about to go home. Oh my gosh, guys, I've been coughing and I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of the Starbucks I had this morning. Didn't ask them for oat milk, which was my fault because I was rushing, but I've just been coughing so bad. It's actually insane and it's driving me nuts. And now my Apple CarPlay isn't working, which is also stressing me out because I don't understand why it's not working. Whatever. I gotta go home. I have to get the kids around 4:30. Yeah, I'm gonna go home. My Fashion Nova order came, so I want to try on what I'm probably gonna be taking with me to Miami. I need to pack. Also, yeah, I'm really mad that this isn't working. It's actually kind of frustrating. Let me see. Maybe if I turn it off. Yeah, so maybe if I turn it off and then do it, it might work. Let's turn it back on. Manage phones. I guess it's connected. Maybe if I drive, because sometimes you could drive and it'll start working again. I think let me do that. Yeah, but I head home. I will see you guys once I get to the house. I'm home, honey. I'm home. Changed to some house fit. My Fashion Nova package came. I pray to God it looks good. I'm gonna pay for 1 day shipping. And look, at Fashion Nova so grimy. They had free 1 day shipping the next day. I was talking to my friend Passion and she was like, girl, me too. I actually bought mine that same night. So to get it on time because after last minute. Oh, this is cute. I didn't know it was like a shimmer shimmer yeah, shimmer shimmer yeah. But it's a shimmer shimmer yeah. Shimmer yeah. It's a shimmer yeah. Okay, yeah, I remember. So it's like this cute cover up. Very cute. I like this. So I still have my, I need to show you guys my stomach. So my stomach is flat after having the babies, but I have diastasis recti and muscle back separation, so I need muscle repair, and that can only be done surgically. Isn't it cute? It's cute. Yeah, that can only be done surgically. So this is my stomach after baby. Y'all see how flat the bottom is? But I have an umbilical hernia and I have muscle separation. I have a little teensy bit of loose skin, barely there. But I do have an umbilical hernia that sticks out no matter what I do. Because my stomach is flat, it's just, I have an umbilical hernia. So I also got a bathing suit. I did get one piece, y'all. I am a mommy. I am a mother. So till I feel comfortable in my body, one piece gonna be that girl. I got it in a size medium and I'm glad I did because it looks quite big. Let me try it on and see. I still need an air and let me try it on. Okay, this is the bathing suit that I got. You guys, it's so cute. Very classy. Look at the back. I like the back. It's like very appropriate. And then you see with the cover up. Okay, even Highland Bay. Yeah, cute. Okay, now this is cute. I like it. And that's like a little ruching. The I have to hide that, but the stomach part has ruching, so I love it. I adjusted the back and it just helps bring the girls up, make it look nice and, you know, so crazy. I'm glad that I got this bathing suit. Like, it's very nice, very appropriate, very cute, and it flatters my body, even though like this is my, what, I want to be 1 year postpartum. My 1 year postpartum body, almost. And it's not bad, I like it, so. How cute. I got this dress. It's so pretty, I love it. I thought it was gonna be like a lime green, but it's a yellow, which looks beautiful on me. Just see my diastasis always sticks out, so it always looks like I'm a little pregnant by like 1 month, probably like 2. But it's not too bad. I wear shapewear underneath this. I'm not too, I don't care. But this is cute. This is another good one that I picked. Y'all see that? That was a cute little dance that I did right there. A little shook. But yeah, looks so good. Let me not stain my clothes though. I like it. All right, this is the last one that I got from Fashion Nova. I don't know if I'm crazy about this one. No, I don't. Okay, I got on the medium. I wish it could be like just a teensy bit bigger, just a little bit. But if I would have gotten a large, it would have been too big on me. Not too bad. I don't know what you guys think. It's not too bad. It's very cute and busty. I think that once my boobs shrink down from losing weight, it'll look better. So I think it's not bad. It's just, you know, smaller, but I do need to lose weight. I'm trying to lose about 10 more pounds. I'm 178 right now. I went from 186 to 178, which is great. So I want to keep doing that. Actually, it's so funny off topic. My boss, she barely, well, she eats, but she eats very healthy. So because she eats healthy, she buys food for me as well. So I'm in there just eating healthy food, and I only eat twice a day, so breakfast and lunch, and I don't eat dinner. So that's how I've been losing weight, honestly, because 8 pounds in what, 2-3 weeks? Crazy. Anyways, she's cute. She's not too bad. I wanted to show you guys the last outfit, but my phone died. My camera died, so you guys saw my phone. It's this meshki dress. I didn't get to show. I wanted to show you guys the full outfit, but it is what it is. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here because it's already getting too long. I'm trying to keep my vlogs anywhere from 14 to 20 minutes tops. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week when I'm on vacation relaxing. Bye.